Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log in on GTA San Andreas Mobile using Netflix. Alright, let's begin. To play the GTA San Andreas Netflix edition, you will first need an active Netflix account. Open your preferred browser and go to netflix.com. From here, create a new account if you don't already have one. After signing up, you will be shown the available subscription plans. Select a plan that works for you, complete the payment, and your Netflix account will be ready to use. Once your account is active, open the GTA San Andreas Mobile Netflix edition on your device. The game will prompt you to log in with your Netflix account. Enter your Netflix email and password, then select Sign In. After logging in, choose the profile you want to use for the game. Once logged in, the game will unlock and you can start playing GTA San Andreas Mobile seamlessly using your Netflix subscription. So that's basically how you can log in on GTA San Andreas Mobile using Netflix. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.